Well, not too shabby. Thank you. Thank you for
Good to
asking.
hear.
I'm sorry?
Looks like our case. I said good to hear.
I'm sorry?
Oh, I just said that's good to hear you're doing well.
Oh, thank you.
Looks like our case ends in 4966. Is that right?
More than likely, you're correct. I don't know. I didn't pay attention. I have too many things happening on my phone, on my computer.
Oh, okay. You're not seeing anything on your side.
What do you mean I'm not seeing anything on my side?
Oh, I'm so sorry, Sita. You know what? I mistakenly interpreted this as you being another Apple advisor talking to me, but that's completely my bad. I'm sorry.
That's okay. That's all
That
right.
that would explain the questions I'm asking make no sense to me. So
Mhm.
thank you for your patience.
No.
My name's Matt. I'm actually a senior advisor here at Apple,
Okay.
um, which means often I'm first talking to another advisor. It's my bad. I apologize.
No
But
worries.
in any case, you're in the right place for support for your Mac. It looks
Okay.
like this case is likely to do with your MacBook Air and its battery situation. Is that right?
Well, white, it's matte, right?
Matt, like
Right.
Matthew?
MATT, right. Got it.
Yeah, you
Matt,
got it.
why don't we do screen sharing? And let me show
Uh
you
huh.
what's going on instead of me telling you.
Oh, absolutely.
Right,
Yeah.
beautiful. You need to tell me the ARA number, right? So I'm going to go to ara.apple.com.
Perfect. Just let me know when you're ready for the session.
Okay. ARA. Hmm. And I'm downloading it now and I don't see anything. Hold on a second. Let me double check. Say download folder. No, I am downloading it, but it's not downloading. Hold on.
Interesting. So you're on the page and it's saying download now on the right,
That's
right?
right. And I've done this many times before, and it's not allowing me to download. It's not download.
When you say that, do you mean you're clicking on it and nothing's happening?
Absolutely.
Oh, gotcha. Why don't we try this? Are you in Safari?
I am.
Okay. Why don't we try this? Hold the command button
Right?
on your keyboard
Yes.
while you click on that link to download now. If you're holding the command button while you click on a link in Safari, you're opening that link in a new tab. Sometimes when a website's not behaving properly,
Mhm.
doing this can make it so that link still works.
Well, my friend, I don't think it's the website misbehaving. Okay, look, I'm going to hold on a minute. I am going to screen record it so I can show you exactly what's happening when
Okay.
we screen share. Um, if we ever do get the screen share. Um, so I'm starting to record
Let me ask you
now.
one more quick question
Yeah,
here,
shoot,
Sita, before we go any further. Do
shoot.
you use iCloud on this Mac?
No,
Okay, okay. Do you use iMessage or FaceTime?
nope. I hardly use the Mac because of all the
Okay, okay.
problems.
The only reason I asked is if you were signed into any of those, we could connect via that instead of this website. But that's okay. I just wanted to make sure we weren't missing it possible.
Okay, so I have in my download folder the only one app is Malwarebytes, and I am gonna download again. I'm gonna hold command and download, and nothing. It will not work.
Nothing's happening.
Nope, it will not
Now,
download.
just to confirm the page we're on, is it saying choose how you'd like to share your screen?
It says share your screen. How would you like to share? Download the app. It gives
Okay,
me
and then
two. Yes.
in this we're going to have two boxes. On
Yeah.
the right one is the download one. The key thing is we need to make sure we're clicking the blue link at the bottom of that box. Is that what you're doing?
I am doing that. My friend, I've done this many times.
Oh, I believe you. I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything.
Yep.
It could be that our website's having an issue. I'm not sure. But
Well, yeah. Well, you know what? I've been trying to send you guys screenshot via chat, and I've documented it again and again. I cannot send screenshots, and
oh no.
oh please, I've so many times, and
Well, how about this? What if I sent you an email where you could upload the file and then I would be able to see it after you uploaded it? Would that help?
Matt, Um, no, yeah, maybe. But I've recorded stuff and I want you to see actually because I've gone through, you sound really wonderful, but I have to tell you, I've gone through speaking to people from Apple where, they question the stuff I send, and that's why I record. And
Understandable.
okay, this is not, oh my gosh, it did. Okay, got it. Accept, terms of use, accept. Session key. Let's go. It's working.
Awesome. Thank you for your patience, Sita. I'm sorry about the delay.
You know what though? The darn thing, it's nothing in my download folder. It's not in my
It won't be in the download folder yet.
Okay.
What you'll see after you click that link is you're going to hopefully get to a page that's showing you terms and conditions.
Yes.
After that page is where we put in a session.
All right.
Nothing should download until we plug in the session.
All right, let's go. Session key?
Do you have the session key ready?
Yes.
The spot?
Yep.
Okay. Our session key is 539
539
5766.
5766. Got it. Ah, invalid session key. 53. Okay, go ahead.
Let me just refresh it. I've got a new session key for you.
Okay.
Try this one. 437
437
7679.
79. 437 7679.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. Okay, now it's downloading.
Awesome.
Good.
Thank you for your patience.
Yeah, listen, the thing is, even when I click, doesn't matter how many times I clicked on it, it didn't bring me to the other window. So eventually it did. So let's go here.
Well, that's good. I wonder if maybe Safari was being unresponsive for us as an application or something along those lines. But that is working now.
It's working now.
It looks like it is coming through for me here. Thank you for setting that up. And yes, now I can see your screen. You're welcome to minimize that remote advisor window for now. Okay, so I can see your screen. Why don't you go ahead and show me what the behavior you were talking about?
Good. My computer uses up an incredible amount of power. This QuickTime usually it was 67, but here's what I got today. This is a bigger screenshot. Here's what's using up my power because I spoke to Apple today, and this was May 26th. Today at 8:20, it's 9:11. So here's
just a little while ago. I see that.
Correct. And KTXTD whatever is using up 228, and then this other one is 211.
That icon services agent.
Right.
Have we seen those two items show up like this multiple times, or was this really the only time we've seen them?
Well, the thing is, I never used to look at the CPU until today when I spoke to someone who says go to all processes, and look at CPU. Normally, I go to energy, I go here, and they'll tell me, look, 87% power only lasts 1 hour. See that?
No, but see, when it says time until full,
yeah.
that's
Oh yeah. Oh wait, it's charging. Wait, no, hold on.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, it's charging. I just undid it. We'll go back here, but let's go to CPU. So it is not supposed to run 228 and 211, is it?
Yeah, if unless that happened for just a moment and then went away, if it's continuing to sit at that number for very long at all, I agree, that's not expected behavior. That's not going to be helpful for your computer, and it would potentially explain the battery really draining.
Right.
So you're definitely on the right track there. Now, it looks like you started looking at this earlier tonight. Is it just in the last couple hours we've been looking at this? As far as looking at the CPU tab?
Well, yes, it's only this evening, and not the whole evening. I've been back and forth.
Sure, of course.
And so I just thought, oh, well, I'll look at it since someone told me I should be looking at it. And then when I look at it, I saw that. And I saw also, so there's that screenshot. And then it went to 173. So it was at 2 something, and then 173. There's 173 and
Yep, I see it. And that other one's still there. It's still taking 72% there. Yeah, still quite a bit.
right. So and then I have this one here. This is still this evening. This was earlier at 6:47, and I have it says other users extension is 69.9. I don't know what that is. Other users. What is that? Because I only opened a test account this afternoon. Now, why is that test account using up energy? Is that the test account?
Now, when you're talking about account, are you talking about an account on this Mac or an Apple ID? Because those are two different things.
Right. Thank you for asking. So here's what I'm talking about. When I spoke to a senior advisor via chat today, he asked me to open a test account to find out, right? To find out if the same thing is happening on both areas.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. That's the troubleshooting step we do often to just try to identify if the issue is specific to a user or across the board.
Right. Across the board.
Yeah. So it was still happening in the other user. Is that what you mean?
Yes, it was happening in other users. So do you want to ask me any question on that one?
On the other user account specifically?
Well,
or about the whole behavior?
Well, in these screenshots, I'm talking about administrator, right? And this is administrator. This is a bigger screenshot. This is the entire screenshot. This is not a test account. And so why is it in the administrator window or use when I'm using it, not the test account, it's showing other user extension is 69.9. That amount of energy is being used. Why is that? Is that normal?
Well, it can be. It just depends on, one, was the other user still logged in? Even if we were currently in this account, the other user account could still have been logged in. And if it was something going on? If so, that could make this completely normal behavior. Let me ask you, how long was this other user's extension showing? Because I know we saw it in two screenshots. Was it up for a while, or was it only there for a few minutes?
I think for a few minutes.
Okay. If it's just a few minutes, normally you don't need to worry about it.
Okay.
If it's a recurring issue, we recurringly see that, or especially if the other user isn't even signed in, and we see that, then we might want to look at it more specifically. But the other two that you were seeing, the other two that that you showed me in the other screenshot,
these two
over 200% at one point.
Yes.
Those are more likely to have been actual issues rather than expected behavior.
Okay.
Even if it was a temporary, legitimate usage of power, we shouldn't normally see that percentage.
Right. And that's what I'm thinking. So those two are problematic, right?
Potentially, especially if they keep going like that. Yeah.
Okay. So let me go back to where it says the other user that I just showed you. This one. And this one here, I logged out of my test account and I recorded it. I record what I do because things change constantly. So I record what I do.
And that explains why QuickTime Player is always up there in our list because you're recording.
Yes, I record it, right? Because I wanted to show you what I'm doing. So let me show you. You should have the screenshot. I go here. I go to About This Mac. I go to Storage. And I go to Manage. Okay. That's taking a while.
Yeah, it takes a few minutes.
Mm-hmm.
of course, for all your patients.
Sure.
One other thing, by the way, while we're waiting on this,
Mm-hmm.
if you bring your mouse up this place where it says 1, 2, 3, 4, this always shows you your current user's name.
Yes.
If you click on this, you'll see a check mark next to any other account while it's logged in. You may have already known that, but just that way, if ever you're wondering if the other account is still logged in, that's how you can find out. Okay?
Okay. So right here, I am not logged in the test account, right?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, hold on a minute. I'm not logged in the test. Look, here system says 18.14. See that? And then it changed to 17.77.
Yeah.
Okay.
The system category definitely, I mean, that's not an abnormal number. That's a fairly normal type of size for the system category. And the fluctuation isn't really that abnormal either, especially when the menu's just kind of loading, as it's still kind of reading all the files and estimating the size. So, but does it continue to change, or does it, after it settles like this, does it kind of just...
It changes after it settles. So I've recorded it. Oh, look at this. Oh, 286. Did you see that? That was 286. That icon, wait, hold on.
Yeah, so that's the key thing that I was saying earlier when I was talking about how long are these up. If something pops up for just a moment like that,
Yeah.
it's actually completely normal and no indication of an issue. That's why, really, you only need to worry about those spikes if they stay spikes, or if the spike happened at the same time as some kind of an issue. You know, like your computer became unresponsive, and it was the same time as a spike going on. Or your battery drained really quick, and you look, and it was the same time as the spike. In that case, it can be related. But when it's just something that pops up momentarily, your computer's juggling tons of things like this all the time. And it's pretty normal for something to pop up for a moment.
So that 105 is normal.
That's totally fine. That's totally normal and fine, as long as it then resolves itself and goes away. Like,
Okay. So whenever
that's not anything you need to be concerned about, but if it stayed there, or if it repeatedly went away and came back, and went away and came back, then we want to look at that particular item and see if it might be the cause of our issue.
all right. So what I find is that they're going away and coming back.
Okay.
Okay?
Now, when we're saying it's going away and coming back, how long is it coming back? Is it like we were just seeing where it's very quick? Or does it come back for a while, go away, come back for a while?
Because I haven't been looking at it really, I can't tell you, but during the time that we're looking at it, I mean, it goes and comes. But
yeah, just so you know,
yeah.
while I've been looking
Yeah,
here,
yeah.
everything looks totally normal and good to go.
All right.
I haven't seen any indication of something that looks like a problem that's going on. Now,
Okay.
that doesn't mean that there isn't any software issue, but there's no indication of it from what I've seen so far, as far as while I've been searching.
Okay. So one thing, before you started speaking, system was 17.9. I think I mentioned 17.9, right?
It was 17.7.
0.7.
Yeah.
Something like that. Now it's 17.9. Is that normal?
Yeah, it is, because the system folder includes things like cache. And cache is stuff where you're temporarily using storage, and the system's clearing it.
All right.
You're constantly going to have a fluctuation on the system side.
All right.
That's very, especially if the computer's in use, and things like right now we have QuickTime in the background. That might be adding to the system folder temporarily, and then pulling back away from it, and then adding and pulling back away.
Well,
that's all very normal.
let me quit QuickTime now
Okay.
and see what happens, okay? So I'm going to stop it now. Okay. All right. So previously it said systems, but it did not show other users, and now it's showing other users. Is that normal? You didn't notice that?
Given that you had you mean just now when it wasn't showing that?
Yeah, it didn't, after everything loaded, all the numbers loaded, right?
Yeah.
I'm thinking, okay, it's done its calculation. Is that fair? Good.
Not
Go ahead.
necessarily.
Okay.
So it's totally understandable that you read it as that, and it's completely done, and nothing will change going forward.
Mm-hmm.
But the reality is these sections, these are all considered estimates.
Mm-hmm.
It's not supposed to be exactly precise, and as a result, the estimates can kind of change while the computer's on. So that other user,
Mm-hmm.
probably we're going to be referring to that test account,
Mm-hmm.
and that's showing only 63.4 megabytes in that entire account.
Mm-hmm.
The likelihood is that's just cache from when you were in that account doing your testing.
All right. How do I clear
So I
cache?
wouldn't worry
Okay.
about that.
So it's likely cache, but you don't. How do I clear cache?
Well, cache actually is not something you clear manually. It clears on its own as the system is done with it. Because it's kind of it's about having something on hand in
Mm-hmm.
case you need it in the
Mm-hmm.
next little while.
Okay.
And if it isn't used for a little while,
Mm-hmm.
the system will clear it out.
Mm-hmm.
For example, a common way cache is used is on the internet.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say you load up a website. Every image and everything it loads up,
Mm-hmm.
downloaded your computer temporarily in your cache. That
Mhm.
way, if you reload that website, it doesn't have to do everything all over. It's just grabbing the local copy.
Mm-hmm.
But then after a little while, it'll delete that stuff because it figures you don't want to keep a copy of every website you've ever been to. You know
Right.
what I mean?
So what's a little while?
Well, it can totally vary depending on the type of data, depending on how it was used,
Okay.
depending on what applications can use it. There's not a set number or system for that. It's intended to be automatically managed by the Mac itself, not something we ever have to manually work on.
Right.
The only time we ever manually work on it
Mhm.
is if we find an indication that the cache isn't clearing itself. And so that generally shows itself as the
Mhm.
cache folders
Mhm.
getting massive. But if the cache folders were massive, your system usage would be much higher. Does that make sense?
Sort of.
You know that system usage at the very
No,
bottom?
that's okay. Here,
Cache,
yeah. Sorry. Here's a system at 1724, but it doesn't say other user in there, right? And then that came up later,
yeah.
and you're saying that's normal.
It can totally be normal. I would not read that as an indication of an issue.
Okay.
Basically, when you looked at this last time and it wasn't showing,
Mhm.
the system hadn't categorized anything as taking up space in another user.
Mhm.
But at this point, it has categorized 63 or so megabytes as being part of another user. So it's probably just a result of when you were previously in there troubleshooting. But that estimate menu of sizes, different things are taking, that's
Mhm.
not immediate. So it's if you change what's on your hard drive and then go look in that, it's not immediately updated on that. It can take some time.
Okay.
Let me show you something real quick.
Okay.
You
Go ahead.
on this search icon at the top right,
Mhm.
that brings up our Spotlight search. Go
Mhm.
ahead and type anything in here so that we start seeing some results. So try typing in, for example, just text, TEXT. And we'll start to see some results.
Mhm.
What happens sometimes is this search system is
Mhm.
called Spotlight. Spotlight determines where everything is on your computer and how much space it's taking. Now, Spotlight has to, every once in a while, check everything on your computer so that it can update that kind of categorization of where
Mhm.
things are, how much space is being used.
Right.
You know how you were just in there and
Mhm.
we were seeing just a list of results? Would
Right.
you mind actually opening that up one more time?
Sure.
So type anything in there so we see some results.
Oh.
We don't have to press enter.
Not-
Oh, I
yeah.
apologize.
That's okay. That's all right. TEXT.
Okay. So yeah. So if Spotlight was currently indexing,
Mhm.
indexing is its updating process,
Mhm.
then we would actually see an indexing loading bar right here above the list of results.
Mhm.
Now that doesn't happen constantly because it takes extra resources on your computer. So it happens from time to time, usually a little less than once an hour. So it'll happen throughout the day, but
Mhm.
not constantly.
Mhm.
So as a result, those estimates of how much space is being used by different only going to be as up to date as the last time Spotlight had finished indexing. Does that make sense?
Sure. Yes, I know it takes a while. You're saying it takes a while for things to be
Exactly, and it may
updated.
take a moment
Yes.
for that to catch
Sure.
up. Exactly.
Yeah, no, I got it. Right, got it. So here's the test account, and I was in before I did the test account. I was in my regular account, this account,
Yep.
and it was telling me, oh, this is charging here. Um, Here's what it was telling me. Other users had 63.4 megabytes, right? Other users, right? But
Yeah.
when I went,
That's what we're seeing now too. I think.
that's what we're seeing now,
Yeah.
right? So this was at 5:51 p.m.,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
After that, right?
Right. At 5:51 p.m., I saw 63.4 megabytes in other users. Yes? Yes, we agree? Do we agree?
Yes. Oh, I agree. Yes.
Okay, good. So that's 5:51 p.m.
Uh-huh.
And then, so I recorded it, what I saw in my account, and then I went to the test account and I started recording. So here I am, test account, right there at the top there. It says test, right? And the only thing I had was 2 screenshots, right? And I have a feeling you're going to tell me, regardless if you have 2 screenshots, it's the cache, right? That added up.
I don't know for certain, but the likelihood is yes, that it's cache or other temporary storage.
All right. So this is the first thing I'm doing. I just opened the test account today. I took 2 screenshots. So I go back to it now to find out where is the space being used. Let me play this for you, okay? Yes? All right. So I'm at 77%. So what I did is items on my desktop. So I open the folder. I'm going to put them in the folder to see how large. 1, 2. Put them in the folder. 2. Get info. And info tells me I have 3 items in this folder. See that? 3 items. But you just saw me open the folder, and you just saw me put 2 items in the folder. Yes? Hello? All right, so I have a disconnection.
You're there though.
Oh,
Right?
you're there. Oh, there you are.
I'm here. Yeah, but it looks like our.
All right. So, hello? Hello? All right, I got disconnected. I got disconnected. Okay. This is still recording. I don't know. I got disconnected. I got disconnected from the computer, and I got disconnected from the phone. So I am going to stop this recording. Hello?
Sita?
Hey.
Hey, I'm so sorry. I'm not sure what happened. I lost screen sharing, but then reconnected. But it sounded like you couldn't hear me.
No, listen, look, I hate to say it, it's the norm. It's like nothing works.
Oh no.
So you are not able to screen share with me right now, right?
Oh, I know. I am seeing your screen. I'm seeing what's on your screen right now.
Oh, good. All right.
Yeah, it reconnected before I was even able to call you back. So luckily we didn't lose any connection.
All right.
Thank you for your patience. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what happened.
But you couldn't hear me on the phone. That's why you had to call me back.
Yeah, I could hear you, but it sounded like you couldn't hear me.
Okay. Let me go back. You can see my screen?
I can, yes.
Good. Let me go back here and watch. I am going to. These are the only 2 items. Let me minimize that. the only two items on my desktop. New folder, I'm going to put them in the folder to see how large they are. And I am going to go here and say get info. And they're only okay. Can you see? Did you see that? So I opened the folder, I put 2 items in, and here it says 3 items. Do you see that? Matt? Hello? Matt can now only view the customer screen. Hello? Matt? Hello? 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 No. Hello? 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 Ongoing call. Hello? Hello? All right. On the screen. Hello? Yes, at the live connection. And I have 136 on the recorder and the live connection. Alright, so I'm gonna stop recording now because